Chief Minister of Telangana, Revanth Reddy Garu, and also our Honorable Chairman of Legislative Council, Sri Sukendra Reddy Garu. And in fact, we are all fortunate to be here. Our Honorable Chief Minister, even though he had many other engagements today, made it a point to come here to address, modern engineering company, the next generation AI company, our leaders and their partners who would be partnering with the state of Telangana, and to see that the vision of our Chief Minister and also the vision of our government in tomorrow's world. Our plain and clear vision is we have to be the leaders for the emerging technologies. Lest it's artificial intelligence, data engineering, data analytics, cyber security. And also in future to come, I would have just mentioning to Amitji the bleeding edge technology of the quantum computing. So in the process over the period of 1 year, Honorable Chief Minister was very keen to see and put this Telangana into the map of the world as the leader of artificial intelligence. And our steps to make that have started. I was just expressing to the Sonata leaders over here what we are going to do for the AI to come up as our leader. In fact, I was very pleased. Basically, while I was a student over there, moving from Begumpet, I used to see only one software company, Sonata, just beside Maruti Suzuki. I used to wonder, what is this Sonata? The keyboard used to be there. I'm not from a non-technical background. The keyboard used to be there, and a big, Sonata and Amp used to be there. Many a time I used to wonder, at the later point of time, as I used to grow up, then I came to know that it is Sonata Software Company, which is a big company, which does mainly into this product, which helps many big companies to have these products and all. Now, the time has really come to see and to move up to the next scale of their engineering model, using all scales of AI. And this is the need of our world. And if you go and talk to a common man too,
మాస్టర్ మైండ్స్ కామర్స్ చదవాలనుకునే 10th ఇంటర్ విద్యార్థుల తొలి ఎంపిక.
There everybody talks about AI. And AI is a buzzword for each and every individual on an individual scale. And to a small company, to a big company, AI has become more important in cutting edge technology to be integrated. And for our governance too. Recently we have launched on a big scale of our governance, how we can embrace, how we can integrate, and how we can move forward by integrating this AI technology. So here the point has come. And for that to make further improvements and developments and to make our Telangana as a leader, we have come up with a building AI city. And this is a concept made by our Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu, to build up an AI city where we house R&D, innovation, and also startups, and many companies like you, wherein the Microsoft have already put forward their interest to come up with their office over there in the new exclusive AI city. And we are also coming, in the month of June or July, we are coming up with a AI university. And this will fetch all the people to reskill and upskill. The technology strength, what these people have, about 2 to 3 lakh people who are employed in GCCs in Hyderabad, they have to be upskilled and reskilled in the process of time. Unless they do that, they become redundant. So this is what we are planning to do. And you all know, all the people who are from Hyderabad, everybody knows, and Honorable Chief Minister many a time has spoke about the Skills University. I was just mentioning it to Amit ji. The Skills University which will host all verticals of industry, including skilling of emerging technologies, wherein we are trying to bring up a digital university to reskill and upskill all the people who are employed, who doesn't have time to really go for a physical training, and who can avail the services in the digital university, which will be the component of the Skills University. So this we are planning to do it in a big scale, and hopefully the Sonata will have the benefit, all the employees over here. Many a time our vision is, all these days we are literally doing the back-end work for many companies. Of the labor arbitrage facility what we have now. The grey matter is there, the think tanks are here, the intellectuals are here in terms of technology. Now our vision and point of our government, of our Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, is to make them global value centers. Not only the GCCs. Now the labor arbitrage has gone. We have to dictate what America has to do, what China has to do, what other country has to do. We create the value here and try to sell the products there. Hopefully the Sonata also takes that shape in times to come, and into the Sonata, which has a major existence in parts of US, now will come here and become a major partner for our state. And with these few words, I would like to conclude and wish all the best for the Sonata Software Company, who would be the next generation AI company for tomorrow's world. I wish you all the best, good luck, and thanks for calling me over here. Thank you.
మాస్టర్ మైండ్స్ కామర్స్ చదవాలనుకునే 10th ఇంటర్ విద్యార్థుల తొలి ఎంపిక